Okay, students, so now we are going to start another topic, that is gametogenesis. So, gametogenesis is the process of formation and differentiation of maturation and gametes or the sex cells. It occurs in primary sex organ called gonads, the testes in male and ovaries in females. The process in male is spermatogenesis, and that is in female is oogenesis. We have already know about all this. Okay, so next we are going to talk about the spermatogenesis. Is what spermatogenesis is? What it is the process of formation of spermatozoa in males. This process occur in the seminiferous tubule of testis. Where? In the seminiferous tubule of the testis. So there is some process. Okay, the step of spermatogenesis is, first step is, it is completed in the three major steps. The spermatogenesis is completed in three major steps. First one is spermatogenesis, second one is meiosis, and the third one is spermiogenesis. Third one is spermiogenesis. So the first two steps involve cell division of spermatogenic cells. Okay, the first two steps means spermatogenesis and meiosis involves the cell division of spermatogenic cells. Okay, and the nuclear division occur by cytokinesis or cytoplasmic division is not complete, and hence all the daughter cells remain interconnected by their cytoplasm. And the last and the third steps involve no cell division, and during this step the interconnected cells separate from the each other to form an individual gamete. Okay, so first we are going to study the first step is spermatocytogenesis. So the spermatogonial cell of the germinal epithelium in the wall of seminiferous tubule, okay, divide by the mitosis to produce a large number of spermatogonia. Some of them continue a type A spermatogonia and serve as the stem cells for spermatogonic linkage. Okay, for spermatogonic linkage, other cell differentiate into progenitor cell or type B spermatogonia. So type B spermatogonia undergo differentiation into primary spermatocytes. They accumulate food material obtained from the nurse cells. In the process they become almost double in size and volume. They show a number of synthetic activity and that are preparatory मतलब preparatory for meiosis to occur. Okay, मतलब वो meiosis के लिए तैयार कर लेती है. Then second process occur is meiosis. Each spermatocytes is a large diploid cells. 2n is equal to 46. Soon they have intermeiosis first, and the two cells formed as a result of meiosis first are called secondary spermatocytes. They are haploid, means the n is 23. Okay, the secondary spermatocytes undergo meiosis second, and the fourth cell formed are called spermatids. The fourth cell formed, which is called as spermatids. In this manner only the type of B spermatogonia produce four haploid spermatids by meiosis. Okay, and the third step is Spermiogenesis is the process by which the spermatids undergo metamorphism and transformation into flattened spermatozoa. These processes include some events like the nucleus elongated and become excruciatingly compact to form a bulk of the sperm head. The centromeres undergo modification to form a axial filament of the tail. Okay, and the quality of cytoplasm is much reduced in bulk and remain as thin peripheral layer around the nucleus. Golgi body become the transformed into a tiny cap-like structure called acrosome at the tip of the head of the sperm. The mitochondria becomes concentrated at the middle piece. The sperm had become embedded in the Sertoli cell for the nourishment. Later, the sperm are released from the seminiferous tubule in the process called spermiation, and the process is called spermiation. So first what happened, spermatogonia, and after that their mitosis and differentiation growth occur for primary spermatocytes, then first meiotic division occur, then the secondary spermatocytes occur, and after that it undergoes second meiotic division, then spermatids forms, and the by the process of spermiogenesis spermatozoa. Okay, so all this happen. So I want to tell you the difference. There is a difference between spermatogenesis and the spermiogenesis. You have to tell me the difference between spermatogenesis and spermiogenesis. And next, hormonal control of male reproductive system and spermatozoa, structure of spermatozoa and step of oogenesis we will discuss in the next video.